Where is your house? Can we ask this in Mudra language? In Malayalam, it is നിങ്ങളുടെ വീട് എവിടെയാണ്. You already know നിങ്ങളുടെ and എവിടെയാണ്, right? What? You don't know? Hope we have a newcomer here. Welcome. Quickly follow our channel Lassi Vinasa and watch our previous videos. നിങ്ങളുടെ and എവിടെയാണ് are the same as before. Today, the new mudra that we are going to learn is വീട്. House. വീട്. Again, house. This is how we will show it. Now, putting it all together, നിങ്ങളുടെ or നിങ്ങളുടെ വീട് എവിടെയാണ്? Casual. All set. Simple, right? Now you tell me നിങ്ങളുടെ വീട് എവിടെയാണ്? Where are you watching from? Comment below.